Meet the team!
La 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 la. Hi, I'm Hunter, and this is our team.
Coach Flick, Peter, Sophia, Mrs. Killian, Sam,
Mitchell,
Aaron,
Josh,
Ali,
Vincent,
Brian,
Zoha.
Team Sonic! Woo!
I gotta get my research done. Gotta get it done. Oh my god. Whoa! Stupid cat. I'm gonna get you. No, just leave me alone. This isn't over yet. I'll be back. Alright, okay. I gotta get my research done. I gotta get it done. Okay. Alright. Well, it says here that 73,000 people get infected with E. coli each year. We should ask our experts about this. We could make a project out of this.
Hi, I'm Mitchell, and these are cows. Cows are a bit messy. What? Ah! No, what have you done? No, not you too. I'm out of here.
la 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 la.
Ooh, yay, mud puddles! Slaughterhouses in the U.S. usually clean the cow's hide, after they're rendered brain dead, using a high-powered wash of water and lactic acid before they are butchered. The blast of cleaner causes some of the E. coli to become airborne. These organisms land on the walls, floors, ceilings, and machinery in the slaughterhouse.
The E. coli living on the walls, ceiling, and machinery form lactic acid-resistant biofilms that are really hard to clean or kill. These super E. coli strains can get transferred back to the meat through human contact and aerosols. E. coli from these slaughterhouses can also infect local water supplies and cause other food to become infected.
Can you help us with our project?
Yeah, I can help you.
E. coli.
You are an enemy. You must be destroyed. Exterminate! Exterminate!
Mrs. Killian, I think we have a solution. Look!
Come along, boys. I'm mentoring.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, Mrs. Killian.
Ow. Ew, grass.
That's typical
High
Vincent.
five. Raise it up, Holly.
La 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 la.
Hey, Mrs. Killian. Hey, guys. We envisioned the creation of a refrigerated transport vehicle that carried a non-contact pulsed ultrasound unit. It kills the bacteria on meat as it is being transported away from the slaughterhouse. Non-contact ultrasound is 99.99% effective in killing bacteria in a very short time. This technology has already been used to decontaminate vegetables. The truck would contain extra sound dampening insulation that would shield the driver from ultrasound and also act as a more efficient insulator, allowing the truck to easily maintain the optimum temperature of 4 degrees Celsius.
Cool!